How to add music on Canva video. First of all, open up Canva and make sure to log in. Now you have to open the video editor. So once you're here, you have to upload a video where you want to add a song, or if you have any created video that you can upload or use that as well. So here I have already uploaded this video, a simple video where I want to add music on, as you can see on this editor. So once you're on your editor piece, what you have to do is navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. There, just under this apps option, there is an audio option. If you can't find this audio option right here, then you have to click on apps. And under apps, you will be able to find this audio option. So click on audio. Once you have done that, you will be taken to this bar. Now you can search your preferred music from the search tab, or you can simply go with the recommendation right here. In order to see or play the music, you have to click on this play button and you can listen to that music. And if you have selected that music to add in your video, you have to click on this music. As you can see, this music has been added in my video, which shows the music level right here. Now, if you want to take it to the front in order to match with your video timing, you can simply click on it and then drag it right like this. And as you can see, this music has been added to my video. If you want to adjust the volume of your music, click on music. There is a toolbar and menu bar right here. You can adjust it by clicking on this adjust, and then you will be able to adjust your music. If you want to customize the volume, it's given here. If you want to make it to the volume more than 100, you can do with the help of this slide bar, and you can minimize the volume as well. If you want to sync the beat, you can do that as well. So you have to turn on this toggle right here. And once you're done adjusting your music, you can simply export or share your Canva video with the added music. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.